Ginobot is designed as a tool to promote and explore STEM disciplines. With minimal effort and easy setup, Ginobot can be up and running in a matter of a couple of minutes. This is the perfect platform to get young children and robotics enthusiasts deeply engaged for hours on end. We also offer a remote control app to let you control your robot in real time. Ginobot is an all-in-one platform with a handful of built-in sensors and peripherals, and compatibility with our own patented building system. You can build your own robot the way you want. The sky's the limit. Thanks to Ginobot's support for USB, Bluetooth, as well as Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and program your robot from your desktop computer, laptop, phone, or tablet. You get to choose what suits you best. Ginobot offers a range of programming options, starting from the use of hard buttons to record sequences, to our own proprietary block-based programming platform, Hero. This makes it super easy to learn and write complex programs and sequences. For teachers, the ideal robot is one that is easy to set up, has long-lasting battery, and is easy to program. This makes Ginobot an excellent tool to help your students grasp the concepts of programming and robotics in a fun and engaging way. And with the support of our APIs and libraries, Ginobot can even be controlled via an Arduino, BBC Microbit, and even a Raspberry Pi, so you can build your own DIY projects on it. Most of the work is already done for you. All you need to do is bring your cool ideas. Not only do you get a cool robot, but you also get access to an extensive e-learning platform to help you and your children improve your skills. So, what are you waiting for? Get it for your kids, get it for your class, get it for yourself.